Thank you all of you and thank you for the watching on this video. So guys, we are gonna to start English and so many hesitation. Actually, we will discuss about hesitations, how to improve your hesitations while speaking English. I know that the while speaking English, the stuck and hesitation feeling, and both are so many. There are the lots of the problem, the facing while speaking English. So don't worry guys, so I will share in this video so everything, so how to improve your communicate and hesitation and feel shy. So guys, the most welcome and this channel is created only for the English channels of blogging and blogging channel like this. Only they speak and I will share the teach you and vocabularies, grammars or anything else, the whatever we are. So guys, all are watching in this video, please like and share and this comment is below and the switch comment. So how is it like to in this video? Please comment in the below. Please, if you want to learn English, and please join this channel, and you haven't subscribed this channel, please first of all subscribe this channel so that you will get notification and for the more videos. So guys, actually I was talking about to hesitation, to how to improve your hesitation. Hesitation is a very big mistake and very horrible in life. While speaking English suddenly started, so our mind is blocked. We actually we be not able to understand to how to create the make sentence and how to make grammar translation. So everyone, actually there is a very complicated. Actually we should not try a more time for the speak English and then. So guys, please, the first of all I would say something is very important. So you started your English, so please forget and remove your mind the hesitation and feel shy. Please don't afraid to anyone, first of all, first tip. And second, remove your hesitation and please don't see anything else surrounding, right? And don't listen anyone, and your target is speak English and improve your English in future. So guys, gradually when I started you English, so gradually the very improvement in 15 days, in the 1 month, believe me. When I started my journey, I would like to say that when I started my journey, it was a very difficult, guys. So many people laughing at me, and so many people told me, and you can't speak English in very well in future. But actually, I did not listen to anyone. Actually, I had no hesitation, no feel shy as well. This is my target. It was my target is my future, because actually I will speak even than the people loving me, people's told me and you can't speak English in my future. But actually I did not listen anyone, so because actually I have determined myself, because actually I will speak English in the future. The whatever I have experience I will say it in this video. So guys, so please do same as a like me. Actually my English is very bad, I know that. And do you know about me, my English is very bad. Do you know? Because actually I am not teacher, guys, first of all, right? Actually I am friend only. Okay guys, got it? I hope got it and listen, and please subscribe this channel. And when you will start your English, please remove your mind hesitation. Hesitation is a very big problem the while speaking English. I know that you don't speak. I know that you have a lots option. You have a lot ways for the speaking, and I know that you the English, your grammar is very well, and you have a lots more vocabularies. But actually, when I start English and suddenly people stuck and feel the hesitations, look the behind and surrounding, anyone's not standing and people are laughing a lot. People, don't worry. Actually, uh, if you want to feel shy, guys, please do one thing. This is the most important. Please put your mind always and don't remove your mind. This is good ideas I have. Whatever's when I started English journey, please first of all wake up early in the morning, the fresh, the face, hand, and after that the came home back, and then after that please go plain alone place, right? And there is no anybody's for the disturb you when you starting your speaking English. Please, and you can ask first of all why I am not speak is very well, why I am not speak is very well in my future. You can ask first of all, and after that you will speak English whatever you have experience, you have a lots option, and gradually guys and increase your speaking and continue whatever. I know that you will facing problem a lots while speaking English. I know that. Actually guys, the first the first step the first step is very very difficult, guys. I trust me. The first step is very very biggest problem. Actually, don't live in the first level. The first level is that is the it will be increased your climbs like this the stair, right? And don't leave. And promise yourself will speak in future. Anybody shy, anybody laughing, no problem. This is my target only. Speak English in future, increase. That is okay, and you can do same regular is the 1 hours whatever have you have lots of time, and you can you are people are asking me. Actually people are asking me, we guys don't have any environments, I don't have any friends, so how to speak English, how to practice English. The people is very very confused. Don't worry guys, and leave. Please remove your mind all is this is throw in dustbin like this. Please, please support me. Actually I don't have any friends and no any environment, but while actually even then I will speak English. Actually I don't have any air, so you can see behind me no anyone no at home right now, because I am alone at home. I am practice English, improving my English. That is the reason guys. This is the most important guys. First of all, remove your mind hesitation, feel shy. Whatever you have experience, and you should practice English and gradually increased your vocabularies, grammar, and your vocal as well. Okay guys, I hope that you will understand. This is my suggestion for you all, the who all are watching video. And first of all, most welcome and great to all to in this most, and please subscribe this channel, because actually I am living from the small town Ayodhya, but actually my parents are very poor. But even then actually I have determined, so I will speak, I will try the more time. Only I have passed 12th class done in Ayodhya, but actually that time I had no money for increase my education in my life. But even then I have decided myself, because no problem, I was happy on that time. But even then I have to practice guys. I want to suggest you guys, and you want to learn English, please remove your hesitation and feel shy your mind, and after that you will start your English. After 1 month, you will see on your and you will ask yourself, and my English is very, very well. And back 1 month, and this time my English is very well, right? Please, the most important, guys, most important, the practice. And first of all, listening, please be carefully, and then second, practice. You will have to focus only two. The first, listen, and then practice every day, anywhere. Okay, you will do same, you will practice. I know that you will practice regular, always. The always the speaking English increased. I hope, I pray to God, God will help you always when you start your English. The first level, first stair is very, very difficult, but don't panic. You will have to do hard work in the future. The first level, the first stair is very difficult. The peoples start anything in future, but actually we should not leave anything, and we should promise self anything. So guys, please, the education is the most important in the future. The education is the most important, and then as well the English language is very, very important in future. The anywhere need to speak and communicate speak English very well, and introduction in English is very well. Any companies, the office need the should be English very well right now. So I hope you can understand my languages, my suggestion, and thank you for the watching. Please subscribe in this channel, Speak English with Anil, because actually, please guys, kindly please support me. I want to humble request, please subscribe this channel so that you will get notification soon. And I will, guys, actually I'm going to, okay, the making food, and this time dinner. So because thank you, and thank you for the watching on this video, and we will meet in the next video. Bye guys, thank you for the watching. Bye bye guys.